Kiharo-ini gia Chaka nikuo magwikinyitie niguo kugeria munyaka wao wa kuyota makurutu a borithi cia njera.
Unasimama imara unafunga moja.
Munini wa komishona mwena ucio Orina Makori augite aria makuoyumiritie matiu maingi.
Perhaps they are not willing or they are not so much informed on the exercise which is taking place today.
Oho augite ati gutiuma na ihengesha hindio ya mihang'o ya Woyani. Na kwa kaunti ya Kisumu aria meyumirie ni mathorimirwo na aria makinyanirie ikiro mandikithio.
The turnout was okay, only that the slots were a bit few. We've taken them through physical fitnesses, we've interviewed them orally, and those who have qualified are already known.
Woyani wa borithi a njera no urathii na mbere kaunti-ini itiganite. Ngiribotera Inooro hwaini njitagwo wa Ngari wa Njoroge.